Do step parents have rights? This is part of my series of short videos for step parents where I'm talking about the fundamentals of step parenting. This is one of the top Google questions for step parents. It's actually, do step parents have legal rights? It comes right up, but you can see underneath there questions about child support, question about rights. I, friends, am not a lawyer. I don't even play one on TV. And when you have legal questions, you should always kind of do your own vetting. Make sure that you are speaking to somebody who is licensed and can actually they are a lawyer, right? Check that for yourself. I'm not a lawyer. I am a step parent. I'm a mentor. I'm a coach. So step parents, though, you guys are people. We are human beings. And so while I'm not a lawyer, I'm pretty confident in my statement that we are eligible for basic human rights, for human rights. People do have different standards about what different people are entitled to as in terms of rights. And that's not this conversation. But whatever you happen to think about rights for other people, those should apply to step parents, or rather flip it around. What about being a step parent would disqualify anybody from being treated as a person, right? So in my opinion, I think it's helpful to ask ourselves, what about being a step parent would change what we tolerate? Right? If things are happening in your family, if the way you are being treated feels wrong to me, then, maybe trust your instincts, right? Or at least give it some thought. But where this sometimes goes wrong in our minds is that when we feel we are being treated by another person in a specific way, we sometimes think that the answer is to try and change what the other person is doing. And unfortunately, often that is outside of our control. What is in our control is how we involve ourselves in certain situations. That's not always in our control, but often that is something that is much more in our control. I want to thank you for watching this video. I want to be sure I let you know that if you are looking for self help strategies and tips as a step parent, including a step parent survival kit, please visit stepparentsuccessschool.com.